Hello everyone. Um, Today I have nothing to discuss related to the books or the study material or like the contents, but today I'm very emotional. I'm very emotional because it is not only the one case, okay, that is coming up right now, but these days we have many incidences, and I have also experienced with all these problems. Okay, you have seen already in the thumbnail the topics. Today I have not discussed, that is like I'm sorry, I have come up with this topic, okay, not to gain views or to gain the subscribers. The thing is that these things are very common these days, okay, but no one notices this. No one, not even our elders, or sometimes not even our parents, okay. Being an unemployed right now and being having the minimum qualifications to get employment, but still suffering from the tag of being unemployed, I can understand the situation of the late Aishwarya Reddy. As you all know, the situation about the suicide case, okay, in the Lady Sri Ram College. These things can happen to us too. It is very relatable. Why the suicide case is being increasing? We just talk about it, but not even our society or not even our elders or friends can understand the situation that we are going through with this. The problem is that the greatest problem of being a student is that we need financial support, and also the apart from that, emotional support. We are in the race of competition, okay. Whenever in a competition or in an examination, some competitor, they get the high marks or the better marks than us, then our parents are the first one to question us, why you got this marks, why so less marks, why you didn't clear in the examination. But apart from that, they forget that we are running from a race where we need support, we need emotional support, okay. Today I have created this topic or this video just to connect with the youth. I have seen in my analytics, okay, that from the age 24 to 35 or minimum 18 to 24, they watch my videos, so I can understand what are the situation that my audiences are going on. I can relate. No matter what, you might be, okay, having a good condition, maybe the financially strong condition, but being a student, it is not that easy these days to compete, okay. So I might exaggerate things or this and that. I have not prepared anything about this topic to talk. Just from heart to heart, I have come to talk about this topic, okay. Referring to my condition also, when I completed my masters and cleared my net, then I thought that life would be easy. I would easily get employed, or I will get job in an education sector. But seeing at the competition right now, we need PhD or we need extra qualification to get there. It's not that we are not qualified, but the thing is that we compete for the one thing, okay, for one job or something like that. But are we even sure that we are going to get there? We never know. Say I'm 25 right now, and to tell you frankly, I'm still unemployed. to be formally called employed is not in my tag. So I have a lot of pressure in my mind right now. Like I am in a situation where I cannot cross the boundary line too. I cannot explore new things. Okay, I don't get the support for that. And obviously you all are facing the same situation with that. So why today the situation has come that some of us have not taken the decision to end our life, but yeah, sometimes we just get depressed and frustrated that wish the things could have been like that, or wish I could have got like that, like her or like him. But everything is not in our hand. What we need to understand is that we should let our life to go on. I too have once upon a time, like still I have, but there are some circumstances that right now I cannot run after that. At one point of time I was aiming to crack the UPSC examination and become an IAS, but looking at the ground reality right now, okay, being a daughter, being a second daughter, I too have a lot of responsibilities at home, and there are some responsibilities in my personal life. For that, I can't always focus on one thing. Okay, many things are there which we can't express. Others will think that he or she is doing such great, or he or she is doing nothing in life. But we cannot judge anyone by their looks or by their social media update. You never know what that person is going on. As in my case, I'm right now like being depressed. Not that depressed I would call, but sometimes frustrated that in spite of learning many things, in spite of doing many things, okay, in spite of having the minimum qualification, we are stuck in a tech of being unemployed. So this is the problem that we all are facing right now. Some of you might have the problem of monetary crisis, or maybe the emotional crisis, maybe the personal life problem. Many things can happen between this age, like 18 to 35 or something. Before that age also you can have the many problems. But right now thing is that, is there anyone beside you to give you moral support, okay, to give you financial support? We find few persons supporting in that case, right? But the thing is that what we have to do is engage yourself or engage ourselves in the activities that we love to do. But that is good, but that is right or appropriate. Sometimes you might like to draw, like to sing, or like to dance. Do it. Engage yourself. Don't allow the bad thoughts or unemployed thoughts to come in your mind, or else it will kill you. It will kill you morally. Trust me, I have faced such kind of situation in my life. Okay, today I have created this YouTube channel, obviously, like to teach the audience what I have learned right now. And greater than that, I would be very happy if the needed person, or who cannot go to the great institution or the greater platform to learn, I'm trying my best here so that other people can learn from the lectures that I give. And I'm not perfect. I too read every day so that I can give you the good quality content and good explanation. For that, right now I'm getting the minimal support, but I know one day or the other day the people will start liking me. People will start liking my lecture, my hard work. Okay, I work hard for that. To bring one videos, it's not that easy. You can see how it is not that easy. You can see that my video quality is not that good. So when I record it, it's very good. But after editing, compressing, uploading, exporting, the video's quality gets compressed or not that good. So some of you might have the good quality phone. So it's not that I'm complaining, but I'm telling you, hard to reach to the people who really need it right now. Competition is also there. Okay, being a YouTuber is not that easy. Okay, it has, or it can give you mental pressure if you just create the YouTube channel for what, subscribers or the monetization. It will really kill you. So nevertheless, the thing is that involve yourself in what you do, what you like. Okay, never think of ending your life as a solution. Okay, if you have a close friends, or if your parents are free with you, then feel free to share. Obviously they will help you. So do not think of ending your life if you're thinking right now. So many problems might be going on in your life. I can't say it, or I can't understand maybe. But now looking at this condition of that young aspiring student of Delhi University or Lady Sri Ram College has killed her life is not a good example. But from that we should learn that mental pressure is real, frustration is real. Students have many frustration. The government should really take this situation as an important things to be noticed. And my suggestion is, do support each other, do support your friends, do support yourself too. Try to motivate yourself every day by reading good books, good inspirational videos. Okay, you have to watch it. And apart from that, be positive. Okay, this is my short video that I wanted to come up, and yes, I'll try my best to come up with the content that is related to the examination perspective. But today my main purpose, motive was to talk about this. So I might not have talked in a very good way, might be, but today I have not prepared anything, just I've talked with my heart. So I hope you all will be positive in life, and take care. Bye bye.